Data FactoryFlow. Today's subject, this is the F-22 Raptor, one of the most advanced air superiority aircraft ever produced. This documentary demonstrates the general manufacturing workflow based on publicly known industrial processes. All stages shown are simplified, non-classified, and for educational purposes only. Section 1. Raw material preparation, 030 to 120. Production begins with advanced materials. Titanium alloy plates, high-strength aluminum structures, carbon fiber composite sheets. Each material is cut by automated machining systems. Computer-controlled saws and precision mills shape components within micrometer tolerances. Workers do not appear on screen. Only machines operate in clean, organized bays. Section 2. Airframe structure forming, 120 to 200. Large robotic presses form the outer skin panels. Titanium panels are placed into high-pressure forming machines. Heat-assisted shaping ensures aerodynamic accuracy. Primer layer is sprayed by robotic nozzles. Next, a specialized low observable coating is applied. Thickness is measured by automated sensors. Infrared reducing finishes are added in a final layer. The aircraft moves through a controlled environment chamber to cure the coating. Section 7. Engine installation, 5 to 540. Two Pratt & Whitney F119 engines are prepared in a separate assembly zone. Automated lifting systems position each engine into the rear fuselage bay. Sensors guide alignment. Hydraulic, electrical, and fuel connections are secured by robotic torque tools. Systems testing begins immediately after installation. Section 8. Final system integration, 540 to 630. Electronic modules are installed. Cooling systems are filled and pressure verified. Computer diagnostics activate the onboard processors. Flight control surfaces are tested using automated actuators. Sensors check range of motion. Every movement is logged with precise measurement data.